welcome to Success Mantra. For today's topic, I have chosen the speech writing. Now, students, drafting a speech for a formal occasion is not a difficult task. It is a skill which one can develop through constant practice. It is only a question of understanding the nature of speech itself. Unlike an article, a speech is relatively informal and intimate. It is usually written with the target audience in mind. The language of the speech meant for school children cannot be the same as the speech meant for intellectuals or grown ups. The difference lies in the use of words, tone, and style. And in ISC examination, the student is required to draft a speech which is about 150 words. Students, here are some of the important points that you should keep in mind while you are writing a speech. Before writing a speech, keep in mind its purpose, whether it is to inform, to persuade, or to entertain, etc. Choose your language and style in accordance with the target audience. Make an outline of the speech. Make the purpose of your speech clear in the opening paragraph itself. Develop your speech in logically interrelated paragraphs. Conclude on a note of hope, warning, or invitation, etc. And don't forget to thank the audience in the end, just as you do when you start your speech. You greet the audience in the same way. In the end, you have to thank the audience in a very polite and sober manner. Now, there are certain things which should be avoided while writing a speech. Too many facts and figures should be avoided. Unusual use of abbreviation should also be not included. Then long quotations should also not be there. Then long antidotes should also not be there. Now these are the short account of the real incidents which are known as anecdotes. And then in the end, jargon and abridge should also be avoided. The meaning of word jargon is technical terminology should be avoided, and verbiages means the overabundance of words should also be avoided. Thank you for watching this video.